drum call me once more. Voices rising through the island rain, singing freedom, wash away the pain. Rise up, my people, don't you cry. Your light will guide us through the sky. Hold the faith, let your spirit fly. We're rising higher by and by. Ancient fire burning deep within. Roots of my soul, where it all begins. From the mountain to the sea, love and unity will set us free. Rise up, my people, don't you cry. Your light will guide us through the sky. Hold the faith, let your spirit fly. We're rising higher by and by. Dub echoes roll through the mystic night. Bassline steady, hearts ignite. Trumpet calling in a distant haze, guided by the rhythm of praise. Now the morning sun begins to shine. I feel your presence, pure divine. Every breath a song of grace. Roots and love in every place. Rise up, my people, don't you cry. Your light will guide us through the sky. play. Spirits rising as we greet the day. Child love will never fade away. Through every storm we find a way. Roots grow deep where the truth will stay. Sing it loud, child love today. Sister moonlight on the ocean wide, guiding my soul through the ebbing tide. I lift my voice to the skies above. Every note a message of love. Child love will never fade away. Through every storm we find a way. Roots grow deep where the truth will stay. Sing it loud, child love today. Dub in my mind, echo in my heart. The rhythm and the spirit never drift apart. Feel the bassline rolling slow and clear. Jah vibration, draw me near. Now the dawn breaks with golden light. Another chance to make things right. Freedom Roots of my heart, they never fade away. I keep on singing through the break of day. The freedom inside is the reggae way. I'm dancing to the roots of yesterday. Yeah, I'm dancing to the roots of yesterday. Golden star on the mountain high, starlight shining through the open sky. Feel the rhythm in the morning dew. Every breath I take reminds me of you. Carry me home to the land of peace where the rivers flow and the hearts released. In the roots we trust, in love we stay. Keep the fire burning every day. Sister wind is calling my name, telling me love will never fade. Through the struggle, I still remain, holding faith through joy and pain. Carry me home to the land of peace where the rivers flow and the hearts released. In the roots we trust, in love we stay. Keep the fire burning every. Drums of the earth beat slow and strong, echo of the ancestors in this song. Dub echo rolling through the sound. I feel Jah presence all around. Now the night falls soft and low, stars above in a gentle glow. Every rhythm tells a story true of ancient hearts that still beat through. Carry me home to the land of peace where the rivers flow and the hearts released. In the roots we trust, in love we stay. Keep the fire burning every day. Yeah, we keep the fire burning every day. Yeah, we keep the fire burning every day. soul dub echo rolls, making me whole. Sister of the sound, I'm feeling high under the stars of a Kingston sky.
To the time where love
above begin to shine. Peaceful soul.